There are motocross bikes. And then there are statements. The 2025 KTM 450S XF isn't just a machine, it's a declaration of dominance. A rolling announcement that says, we're still the ones to beat. For over a decade, KTM has pushed the boundaries of what's possible with four-stroke motocross, and each year, they return to the gate with something leaner, faster, sharper. This year is no exception. In 2025, the KTM 450S XF doesn't just evolve, it reasserts itself as a championship-grade weapon. But don't be fooled by the familiar silhouette. Under the plastics lies a re-engineered beast, smarter, lighter, and more brutal than ever. Let's start with what powers this Austrian animal, a 449.9 cubic centimeters SOHC single-cylinder engine that continues to set the gold standard for modern motocross performance. In typical KTM fashion, this motor is all about high-performance efficiency. It weighs just under 27 kilograms, one of the lightest in the class. And yet delivers a throttle response that's razor-sharp. The engine sits 2 degrees rearward in the chassis for improved mass centralization, and the cylinder head is even more compact this year, helping reduce the overall engine height. It breathes through a lightweight, short-travel DOHC valve train that produces a power band that's broad, linear, and extremely controllable. From idle to redline, there's never a dead spot. It hits hard when you want it to and stays composed when you don't. But what really sets the 2025 model apart is how refined the power delivery has become. Thanks to updated ECU mapping and a new intake funnel design, throttle control is both snappier and more manageable. KTM has clearly taken feedback from pro riders and translated it into a bike that's still fast as hell, but far less intimidating when you're feathering through ruts or trying to hook up in slick corners. Even on high-speed tracks, the power comes on like a swell. Not a wave crashing through your chest. You ride it hard, and it answers without hesitation. That balance between aggression and rideability? That's the magic of the KTM. Backing up that engine is a brand new transmission design, not something you see every year in the motocross world. KTM partnered again with Pankel Racing Systems to deliver a refined 5-speed gearbox that reduces friction and improves gear spacing. This year's shifter throw is shorter, crisper, and more precise, meaning fewer missed shifts and more power to the ground. And yes, the clutch is still hydraulic, still race-spec Brembo, and still basically bulletproof. No fade. No guesswork. Just perfect lever feel, even in brutal heat. Now let's talk about handling. The 2025 KTM 450S XF features a tweaked version of the hydroformed, laser-cut chromoly steel frame introduced last generation, only now, it's been reinforced in all the right places. KTM has adjusted the stiffness balance, particularly in the head tube and shock mount area, to deliver better front-end feel without sacrificing stability. And that change is immediately noticeable. The bike tracks straighter under power, dives less under braking, and gives you way more confidence when entering a turn hard and late. It's a refined level of predictability that seasoned riders will notice within the first few corners. The rear subframe is full composite, not just plastic or aluminum, but a carbon fiber reinforced polymer that is lighter, stronger, and more vibration resistant than anything in its class. KTM isn't just building for speed, they're building for durability. This frame can take a season's worth of beatings and still feel tight and responsive. The swing arm, too, has been revised for optimized flex and better chain guide clearance. Together, these changes form a chassis that is brutally efficient on the track, minimal wasted energy, maximum traction. The suspension package this year takes another step forward. WP's Act continues to handle the duties, with a 48mm air fork up front and a linkage-assisted rear shock. But for 2025, the internal valving has been reworked to provide better small bump compliance while still resisting bottom outs. It's a more plush initial feel, which helps reduce arm fatigue in longer motos. KTM has also narrowed the fork legs slightly and adjusted the fork offset for improved cornering feel. These might sound like race-only tweaks, but the benefits translate to every rider. You can charge harder, land smoother, and ride longer without burning yourself out. That's not just engineering, that's rider-focused design. Now, let's not ignore the electronics. KTM gives you one of the most customizable rider interfaces in the game. The 2025 450S XF includes a 2-map switch on the bars, with Map 1 delivering smooth, linear power, and Map 2 offering a more aggressive, instant throttle feel. Traction control is toggleable on the fly, and launch control is improved with a quicker activation method and more precise ignition curve mapping. This isn't just for pros, even intermediate riders will feel the benefits when dialing in launch control before a start or toggling traction mid-moto on a drying track. There's even quick shifter. Yes, you can now clutchlessly shift from second to fifth, even under load. And it works. Smooth. Reliable. No hesitation. This is the kind of feature that used to be reserved for high-end street bikes or factory-only setups, and now it's in your garage. And yes, here's the surprise for those of you who stayed this long, KTM has introduced a smart suspension control system on select editions of the 450S XF for 2025. This optional upgrade uses sensors on both ends of the bike to automatically adjust compression and rebound on the fly based on terrain feedback and rider input. Think of it like electronic traction control, for your suspension. It's not a gimmick. This is real-time tuning, in motion. And while it's still in its early stages, KTM has hinted that this tech will expand across the off-road lineup in the coming years. For riders who love to experiment or chase lap times, this is game-changing. The bodywork, too, has seen updates. Ergonomics have been improved with a flatter seat profile, grippier side panels, and a reshaped airbox cover that improves knee lock. The bike feels narrower between the legs and more maneuverable in tight turns and air transitions. The new graphics are embedded into the plastics, no peeling stickers here, and the overall look. Pure race-bred aggression. The fuel tank remains a slim 1.9 gallons, optimized for weight distribution, and the cooling system has received revised routing for better heat management during hot, drawn-out motos. So, who should throw a leg over the 2025 KTM 450S XF? This is a bike for serious riders. Riders who want the edge. Not just in speed, but in technology, in handling, in setup flexibility. It's for those who demand a race-ready platform right out of the crate, without needing thousands in upgrades. It's not the easiest bike to ride. It doesn't coddle you. But it rewards precision, aggression, and commitment with a feeling that very few bikes can match. Whether you're racing local tracks, chasing amateur national titles, or simply pushing yourself to new limits, this bike has the bones of a champion, because it was built by them. And for those asking whether KTM can still hold their crown in a world now filled with ultra-refined Japanese 450s and hungry European rivals, the answer, after one ride on this machine, is simple: absolutely. This is Acer Rider, and you've just been taken deep inside the 2025 KTM 450S XF, the sharpest tool in the Pro Pit box. Subscribe for more ride-tested reviews, honest insights, and everything dirt bike, enduro, and adventure. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Is this the king of the class, or does another machine deserve the crown? Until next time, keep it pinned. Acer Rider, signing off.